Welcome to Baghdad, the beating heart of knowledge and culture during the Islamic Golden Age. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of the House of Wisdom, a magical place where scholars from all walks of life gathered to share ideas, innovate, and create. Let's explore this fascinating hub of enlightenment and tragedy. Imagine walking the vibrant streets of ancient Baghdad. Picture golden domes glistening in the sun and lively markets filled with colorful goods. This city was alive with energy and creativity. Within its walls, the House of Wisdom stood as a Bacana gathering place for thinkers who were changing the world in fields like astronomy, medicine, and mathematics. Here, scholars from diverse cultures came together, exchanging knowledge and inspiring each other. It was like a giant intellectual potluck. They worked on groundbreaking discoveries, and their ideas laid the groundwork for future advancements. So what's cooler than that? Now, let's take a closer look at the treasures within the library. Can you imagine being surrounded by scrolls filled with intricate calligraphy and stunning illustrations? Each piece of writing was a window into the vast world of knowledge waiting to be explored. Scholars in the library created numerous groundbreaking works, from star charts mapping the heavens to early medical texts that paved the way for modern practices. The House of Wisdom wasn't just a library. It was a launchpad for ideas that would shape the future of human knowledge. But as we know, every great story has a twist. Just as Baghdad was thriving, it became a target. The shadows of conflict were on the horizon, and the House of Wisdom was about to face its greatest challenge. In 1258, the Mongol invasion hit Baghdad like a thunderstorm. Soldiers stormed the city with a fury that shocked everyone. Can you feel the tension as we see the once bustling streets now echoing with the sounds of destruction? As the flames consumed the House of Wisdom, an entire treasure trove of knowledge was lost in the chaos. The Tigris River ran black with the ink of destroyed manuscripts, a powerful image of the tragedy that unfolded. A symbol of lost wisdom and hope. Just think about what it all means. This moment was not just about bricks and mortar. It was a heartbreaking loss for humanity. The knowledge contained within those walls could have advanced science, medicine, and philosophy so much further. Imagine those scholars living in that moment of despair, their life's work, their passion, disappearing in the flames. It was a true tragedy, a reminder of how fragile knowledge can be. But hold on, hope is on the horizon. Even after the destruction, fragments of that lost knowledge survived. These remnants traveled through time, influencing the Renaissance and countless other thinkers throughout history. Today, we can still see that legacy, where modern science and innovation owe much to the scholars of the House of Wisdom. Their work continues to influence us today, uniting the past with the present. Isn't that incredible? As we wrap up, let's remember the House of Wisdom, not just as a place that was lost, but as a symbol of light in the darkness. It stands as a testament to the power of knowledge to shape lives and communities. May we honor those scholars who, through their dedication, illuminated the paths we walk today. Thanks for joining us on this journey through history. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible stories from our past. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of knowledge.